So we are about to preliminary round. So we have 51 teams, and what we did today, in order not to spend the night here, I put the first and second round parallelly. So we have 14 teams in the other room with another jury, and then we have 15 teams in this room with this nice jury. We are going to make a break about 20 past 6. Then we'll leave the jury for short discussions about the first rounds. And then we start again 5 minutes past, half past 6, or half past 7, half past 6, for the third round. Then we have all the jury members here, and we have 22 teams to be presented. So it's going to be a long round. I hope the jury will survive with all the presentations and question answers. And then we're going to make a break about 20 minutes for the jury to decide who's going to be in the teams to get to the finals on the 6th of December, Thursday this week. And then afterwards you have a little time for talking to the jury as well, to get some personal feedback or whatever you want to ask. So, who we're going to have today for the jury? We have, at first we have 5 persons in here, in this room, and then we have 3 persons from the second room joining us. So we have Kati Kõrbe from the Tallinn Technical University. We have Simon Renna from Lumino. We have Rivo Pilvik, who is on the way. I hope the traffic jams lights have him, so he's going to be here in a minute. Mike Law, who is the alumni from the startup program, and another alumni from the startup program, and an investor, Sean Tinish. And then later on we're going to have then Carolina, Helen and Katra joining us in this room. So let's not waste much time, and we start with it's the second round because the first round is in the other room. And we start with the team Brainvoice. So you don't have a presentation? You haven't sent it? Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. You have to charge it. You have the time on the screen, so everybody who's pitching can watch the time as well.
Hello, I'm Harry, and I represent the Brainvoice. And I'm here to talk to you about your brain and our thoughts. We have a problem in the world where not all people are able to communicate, and we want to handle this. For example, people who are deaf, unable to communicate, they can't hear, but they would like to talk, they would like to express themselves. And people like myself, for example, who want to produce ideas, but unable to do so manually because it's too tiresome. Our solution is a brain device that you put on your head that records your brain signals that will turn into speech or text. Our revenue model is either a device for 200 euros or 20 euros subscription per month. Our team is highly competent. We have very strong technical background in engineering, in biomedical engineering, in electronics, in software development, and hardware engineering for years. And we don't really have that many competitors in the field at the moment, because mostly they're either doing it for toys, such as this one, it's just for demo purposes at the moment, or they're doing it with invasive technologies. We want to do it as safely, as accurately as needed for capturing the voice from your head, and as convenient as possible for the user. Thank you. That's Brainvoice.
I'll begin. Firstly, I think that the main risk with your idea is the technical part. Is it technically possible at the moment with today's technology to put your thoughts into words in a way that you described it on this one pager and in the presentation?
Well, we want to test the hypothesis ourselves as well, because it's a new thing, it's futuristic. It's a combination of hardware and software, because it also has to filter out all the noise, and it has to be convenient. Like, there has to be like a trade-off, where you get the voice in the head, versus that you have all the muscle movements, also generating noise, or anything else from the environment, like the magnetic signals. So we have to handle this, but we have a competence in our team. It's going to be like filters, basically. You have to build on hardware level to get the clear signal. Are you lost? Okay. You see this? Right? Right now it's measuring different frequencies of the brain. And even though this is just like one channel, our idea is to make it like multiple channels, either 8 or 16, that are going to be focused on the auditory part of your brain that deals with the thinking in words. And as you're thinking, it will have this on the computer side, but as for the output for the user, it's going to be either in text or speech. So you're basically removing the need for manual thought formulation. No typing, no speaking, just thoughts.
From what I know about this project and also the brain, how the brain is processing the language, every language is being processed different way for our brain. Which language is your first target language to do this project?
I would say English because it's international, although I would also advocate for Estonian because the way we write words and letters are the way they sound in real life. In English you have a little bit difference, and you have also accents. You have brain plasticity per person. So the model that we train is going to be personalized, which by the way also applies to security because it will be like unique per individual.
Where would you like to acquire those, let's say, research to help you make the things happen?
Yes, we are about to. We actually attended like 2 or 3 conferences within the past 2 weeks, maybe a month, to get context.
And
but one more thing, usually research wants to have like a paperwork. We want to be on the market. They expect like very high accuracy, but we want user convenience.
And based on the one-pagers that you guys provide, yes, pretty much all of the competitors they are in the research stage. Yeah. And what makes you think your research can be faster than your competitors?
Work harder and not writing papers. Our focus is to have a working product.
How do you think you manage with only 30,000 euros? What others haven't managed with hundreds of millions?
Well, it depends how you use the money.
Okay.
We need right now for the device itself, because we work for our free time.
Okay, the time's up.